Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Boxcat token. Now the Boxcat token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, May 23rd, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. This is a BEP20 token that you could find on BSC Scan. And a very big project, getting a whole bunch of very big central exchange listings. And it was just announced today that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, May 23rd, 14 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search a Boxcat, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, going on today, a day prior to the listing, is a Kickstarter event on Mexc Global where you could vote with MX tokens and potentially win airdrops. And there is a reward pool available of 50,000 USDT for this token. Now, there's a total supply of 1 billion Boxcat tokens. Their official webpage, boxcatai.com. I'm going to put their Twitter in the corner of the screen here, at BoxcatAI, so you guys can easily find this project. So Boxcat is a tap-to-earn T2E game that you can enjoy with just one finger. Tap your way to earn participation rewards, upgrade your stats, and experience the thrill of continuous growth. So how do you play? Well, you just tap the screen to earn rewards with Boxcat. Increase your bonus chance to maximize additional rewards. Boost your bonus multiplier to gain even more from each bonus. Expand your max energy to play longer without interruptions. Enhance your tap rewards to tap and earn more points with each tap. Improve energy recovery speed to tap faster and more frequently. Enjoy offline rewards, allowing you to keep growing even when you're not playing. They also have the bonus chance, so increases the probability of earning extra rewards. The bonus multiplier boosts the amount gained with a bonus effects trigger. Max energy increases your playtime by expanding your energy capacity. Tap rewards enhances the points earned by each tap. Energy recovery speeds up energy recharge, reducing waiting time. There's offline reward system. Earn rewards automatically while you're away from the game. So grow even when you're offline. Boxcat lets you accumulate rewards even when you're not playing. If you had performed certain actions or tasks accurately, when you return, you can claim your stored rewards instantly. Rewards increase based on offline time. You can upgrade efficiency for better offline earnings. You can store rewards of up to 12 hours. VIP benefits, extended storage of up to 24 hours. Double offline rewards using special items or features. Strategize your growth. Will you maximize a bonus chance and multipliers for massive one-time rewards, or will you focus on energy recovery and max energy to play endlessly? The choice is yours to create your own playstyle and dominate the cat box. Now, the new feature, the Boxcat collection. Boxcat's world is filled with unique cat characters, gear, and bonus items. Players can collect special Boxcats and items through gameplay, including even greater rewards. The key collection elements, now Boxcat characters, collect rare cats, characters to gain special effects, items, gather accessories, spaceships, backgrounds, and even more to enhance your stats. There's collection bonuses, so complete specific sets of to activate additional bonus abilities. Example of collection effects is the Tap Master Set. So collect 3 specific gear items to increase tap rewards by 10%. And then we have the Lucky Cat family. Own 5 specific Boxcat characters to boost bonus chance by 5%. There's the Energy Legion. Gather 4 energy-related items to increase recovery speed by 20%. Start collecting and power up your Boxcat experience. Now, the adventure of Boxcat, the planet Breno, was the most beautiful star in the universe. It was home to a bright and lively Boxcat who spent their days in happiness, and one day Boxcat's friends decided to embark on a new adventure, and they made their minds to travel to a different planet aboard a spaceship. And so there's a big story that you could read about the Boxcat, and it goes through different chapters 1 to 5, and they have different names for the chapters, like Crash Landing on the Doge Planet, and then the Pengu World, Planet Shib, all sorts of cool stuff there. And then we have the Tokenomics for this token. Now, Boxcat is a multifunctional utility token, which will be used as a medium of exchange for all participants on Boxcat in a decentralized manner. The goal of introducing the Boxcat token is to provide a convenient and secure mode of payment and settlement between participants who interact within the ecosystem on Boxcat without any intermediaries such as centralized third-party entity, institutionals, investors, credit, etc., etc., etc. So we have the distribution investing on here. So we got 52% of the tokens going to the airdrop and ecosystem, 18% going to liquidity, 20% reserve, 5% team, and 5% going to strategic purchasers. So we have a roadmap on the document section as well. And if you want to find the document section to read the rest of the info, the story, the giant roadmap, all sorts of stuff, you can head over to boxcat.gitbook.io. And besides that, you can find this token newly listed as of tomorrow on Mexc Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.